Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Garden Kitchen. How is everybody doing this morning? So we are going to be making today, this morning for breakfast, quesadillas. Okay, for breakfast quesadillas. In the breakfast quesadillas, you have to have only egg and cheese and some vegetables, and you can add any kind of meat what you like. I have some keema cooked, so I'm going to put some keema in there. You can put anything, any kind of meat. If you have a tandoori chicken, if you have something, you can cut them and chop them and put it in the pieces, or you don't have to put anything in there. Just make egg and cheese, okay? Whatever you like. Even the kids sometimes they don't like eggs, but this one you don't feel that much egg inside with so much cheese and the tortillas, and so that's why we are going to be making it so kids will eat too. I especially myself, I don't like eggs, but I eat this egg baking like this with a lot of vegetables and cheese. So let's go see all the ingredients what we needed to make this quesadilla. Okay, let's go. Okay, you can use anything for this recipe, but I am using some tomatoes. Like I always said, when you cut the tomatoes, remove the seeds from the inside, so you're not going to have a lot of water in there, liquidy. And I have some cheddar cheese. When you're buying the cheese, if you're vegetarian, buy this cheese. This is the one, don't have the animal rennet in there. It's a vegetarian rennet in there. So I usually use this cheese, so you can, if you're vegetarian, buy the cheese, okay? And also I have some ground beef keema, and it's already cooked. If you want any other kind of meat, if you have, you can use it, but I have that one at home cooked. Even the shish kebab or maybe chicken tikka, you can just chop them in small pieces and you can put that in there. And I have some garlic powder, some salt, black pepper and salt, and finely chopped onions, and this green onions. And when you take the tops of the green onions and put it in the water, they'll grow so fast. They'll come up very, very fast. And sorry, actually with my channel I'm supposed to show you a lot of gardening too, but with some health problems in my family, and I don't go in the garden that much, and my garden is neglected. Otherwise my garden is so beautiful. I don't have the time to go take care of my garden. So once my garden is clean and it's tidy, I'm going to show it to you. And I'm going to show you a lot of things, how to propagate roses, how to do a lot of other things, you know, in the gardening. But right now I'm just going to give you the recipes, okay? And I have bell pepper, red and green bell pepper. It's optional too. And this is green pepper chopped. It's optional too if you want it. I'm using butter to fry eggs. If you want, you can use anything. And this is some eggs. And actually I'm making today gluten-free quesadillas because my son is allergic to gluten. So this is the almond flour tortillas, wraps, whatever you call. You can buy this from, I bought this from Costco. They come 20, and this made with the almond flour. So I'm going to be making with this today because my son is allergic to gluten. He cannot have the wheat. So, and we have some eggs. So let's go start making some quesadillas, breakfast quesadillas, okay? Okay, to make breakfast quesadilla, first we're going to take one egg for one quesadilla. So one egg, break it, and a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, okay? And we are going to beat this egg and fry. Okay, I'll break this egg. And okay, so our egg is ready. Our pan is warm. Put a little bit of oil. If you want, you can put a little bit of butter in there. That's up to you. I put a little bit of butter because they don't burn with the oil. Put a little bit of oil. So okay, let's put this. We'll put this egg in there. Okay. Come on, come round. Round, round, round. Round, round, round. Okay. Once it's cooked like 70%, you put some cheese on it. This is very good for the students left the house for the higher education and they don't know how to cook. And this is, if they have the vegetable chopped already in the night, this is very good. And then you flip it. Okay, and reduce the heat and put some chopped onions over here. Add some green onions and some bell pepper. And some tomatoes. And some ground meat, whatever the meat you wish to add it. And add some more cheese on it so the vegetables stick together. And then fold it. And cook for a few minutes. Put a little bit of butter to make it crispier to the side. Okay, it's hot. Cook it on a low flame until it gets crispy on top. Cheese is melting, so it's stuck together. See? It's supposed to be like this. Okay, this is okay. Our breakfast quesadillas are ready. Let me taste it and let you know how it is. It's crispy, crunchy from outside, and I have a little bit of hot sauce in there. This one I don't want to Actually, you don't feel any taste of egg in there. That's the beauty of this. If you make it for the kids who don't like eggs, they're definitely gonna eat this one. Okay, try this. If you like it, please click like, share and subscribe. Okay, share with your friends and family. They might like it too if their kids don't eat eggs. Okay, see you in next video. Bye.